Today we are going to learn how to create a subdomain in cPanel. To access cPanel, you can log in directly, or you can log in through Hostbella control panel. Here we are going to log in through Hostbella control panel. To do so, first, navigate toward hostbella.com and then click on the control panel icon placed right next to the shopping cart icon on the top right menu. You will be redirected to the Secure Client Login page. Enter your email password and click Login. You will be logged into the Hostbella control panel. Here, visit the Services section present on the front page, which is Dashboard. You will see your hosting plans currently being used from the Hostbella. Click on the Hosting section, and on the next page, click Login to cPanel, present in the left side menu. Once you are logged in, go to the Domains section and click on Subdomains. Here, you can create subdomains according to the domain you are already using. So let's create Test Subdomain and select the domain we are currently using in the domain field. Then choose your required subdirectory under the document root field. Here we are going to keep it default. Once you click Create, you will be redirected to a new page, and it will show that the subdomain has been created. For now, let's go back. You can see the newly created subdomain in the Modify a Subdomain section. You could even manage redirections here if you want to redirect the subdomain to another domain. Also, you can access File Manager from the link provided under the Document Root section, and you can upload and keep your hosting files here in this space. And that completes creating a subdomain on Hostbella account. Thanks for watching this video.